So this is the initial step on creating a gluten-free sourdough. In this sourdough starter, I'm using sorghum flour, but any organic whole grain flour will do. I also created and printed out a small feeding schedule so that I remember where I am. And it might seem a bit over the top, but trust me, it is easy to forget where you are in the process. And you don't need to use mine. Of course, you can write it down yourself and just make note in a notepad or something else. But I highly recommend so that you can write comments on how it progresses over time. And this process will take around 10 days, plus minus a day or two. And the first day, the initial step is just mixing regular water with your preferred flour and then placing the container in a dark and a cool place around 17 degrees Celsius, 62 Fahrenheit, plus minus 1 or 2 degrees. So that's what we're going to do right now. And I'm just putting the lid on. I'm not using the straps or anything. I'm just putting it on. And now I'm gonna put this container in a dark and chilled place in my apartment. This is, I don't have all my dark places are warm, so I'm covering it with a towel instead of putting it in a cupboard. And then I'm going to place it somewhere near a cold window or something like that. And I'm gonna write starting out, yay. Okay, see you back tomorrow.